Happy Monday, everybody. My name is Ryan Mulligan with the Mulligan Realty Group at Remax Center City Realty here in London, Ontario. It is March the 23rd. Crazy how fast this month is flying by, but we've got some spring like weather, which is great to see. You know, we've had a long winter. Okay, the numbers for the past 7 days. New listings were quite drastically down, actually, 181 compared to the previous week at 247. Firm sales 100 compared to 109 the week before. So pretty even there. And same with the conditionals and price decreases. Conditionals were 112 compared to 115, and price decreases 53 compared to 52. So everything was pretty much on par with the week before, other than new listings were down. We did get a snap cold weather of winter again and some snow and some drastically high winds. So, some people just choose to not list and hold off. My theory on that is, or my recommendation is, get out before the true spring market starts. There's lots of A+ buyers out there. So if you're ready to list, don't wait for flowers to start to bloom, grass to be greener. The interest rates are going to likely stay in around where they are. Bank of Canada held their rate, but more importantly, the fixed rates. Unless a mortgage broker or advisor corrects me on this, you can still get high threes into mid fours for interest rates here. So, lock those rates in, have your mortgage broker lock them in. They can usually lock them in for 90 to 120 days and get out there and start looking. And anybody looking to sell, like I said, get it on the market. Don't wait for April and May. Again, there's A+ buyers out there. So who knows what the spring market into summer market will look like. Lots going on in the economy with oil prices, everything going on globally. Who really knows? So the good thing is the stock market's bounced back a bit today. So that's good. We were on a pretty sharp decline last week. What I would recommend with that is really don't watch your investments unless you're a swing trader or a day trader, because, hey, last week was not a good week to look at it. But all of that affects the real estate market. Another update, the federal government has finally approved for first-time home buyers to have the GST off of new build construction up to $1 million. So, and then it goes down a bit after that, after $1 million. But regardless, let's just talk up to $1 million. You can get up to $50,000 off saving the GST on a new purchase for a new construction. Sorry, if you're a first-time home buyer. Word on the street is the Ontario government's going to do the same. So then the whole HST is off. If Doug Ford does it with the PST, time will tell. We can speculate all you want, but hopefully that happens. I hope both governments take it a step further and not just first-time home buyers and do it for any buyer. We need to spark the economy. Real estate's a massive driver to this. Construction is a massive driver to this, especially in southwestern Ontario, where the automotive industry is, for lack of better words, getting crushed here in our local areas here. So, anyway, just some other information for you. I hope you have a great week. This has been another episode of our Monday Market Update. My name is Ryan Mulligan with the Mulligan Realty Group, and I hope you have a great week. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.